Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll share with you how you can fix and your microphone not working for Logitech G435 and what you can actually do and try to fix this issue. So the first thing that you can try to do is pretty simple. Go to control panel. When you get in the controls panel, you want to go to hardware and sound, and then you want to go to sound. And when you're going to be here in sound, you want to have your headset and you want to have it set as default. So you're going to be here and you want to have it set as a default for the playback. Then you want to go next to the playback to recording. And when you're going to be here, right here in recording, when you're going to have your microphone, right now I'm using a different one, but for the one that you're using, you want to go right click and you want to also set it as a default right here. This is the first thing. The second thing, you want to go to properties, and then you can have levels and have a microphone to 100%. So that's something that you can also try to do, and continue running when on battery power. So these are another thing that you can try, and maybe it's going to work out. Also, what you can try to do is that you want to download a new update for your headphones. This is another thing. And the last thing I wanted to share with you is that when you're going to go to settings, and in the settings, when you're going to just search settings, you're going to go privacy. And here in the privacy, what you want to do is you want to go to microphone, and then you can allow apps to access your microphone and have on. So this is something that you can also do and have. And another thing that I wanted to show you is that when you go to device manager, so again, write search device manager. Here in device manager, you are going to have sound, video and game controllers, and you want to take the one you have and you want to click disable device. You can try it out. Then you can enable device, and then you can right click on it and update the driver. So you can even update search automatically for drivers. You can also do that. So hope this video helped you little bit at least, and hope it fixed your issue. Have a great day and goodbye.